Welcome to Cool Timeline Pro. Just as Cool Timeline, this plugin allows you to create amazing story timelines for your website. The only difference is Cool Timeline is a free plugin and it has some limitations. On the other hand, Cool Timeline Pro is a pro feature that overcome all those limitations and gives you many more features to work on. It has 40 plus designs, 15 plus animations, multiple timelines. You can also add custom labels. It has custom color option for each story and many more. In this video tutorial, I will tell you how to download this plugin, install it and use it on your WordPress website to create amazing story timelines. So let's get started. To download the plugin, go to cooltimeline.com. Click on Buy Now and purchase the plugin. Once the purchase is completed, a zip file will be downloaded to your system. I have already downloaded the zip file. Now let's install it on our WordPress website. Go to the WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, Add New. Click on Upload Plugin, choose File, select the file that you have purchased from the website. Click on Install Now. Once the installation is completed, click on Activate Plugin. After installing the plugin, you can see the timeline add-on here and there are some options. Let's go to the dashboard first. In the dashboard, you can see Cool Timeline Pro. If you do not have the Pro version, you can activate it from here. And also there are some other plugins from the same company. Now let's add a new story. Give it a title. Let's say story 1 and paste the content here. Create a story based on date. Select this option, or you can also create a custom order based story. Now select the date. Let's say 1st January. And here you can select the time. After this, you can select the media type to image, video, or a slideshow and select the featured image from here. Under the story icon, you can add an icon. Let's say this one, or you can remove an icon by clicking on this button. You can select the story color from here if you want to. Now once you are done, click on Publish. Now let's create another story with media type as a slideshow. Give it a title, let's say story 6 and content. Select the date and under the media type, let's select slideshow. You can select slideshow by adding multiple images. So I have added multiple images. Now click on Publish. Now to publish these stories on your website, go to Pages, click on Add New. Let's say date based stories, and here under the block select story timeline shortcode and click on Publish. You can also view the page. So you can see your stories are published like this. Here under the timeline settings, you can change some settings. You can select the layout from vertical to horizontal. Let's see how it looks. So you can see how the horizontal layout looks like. You can click on this button to view more stories. Let's now change the design. Let's select elegant design and update it. Now go to the page, refresh it, and you can see the design is now changed. You can select multiple designs from here and choose the best one for your website. To change the date format under the timeline settings, you can go to date format. Let's say I want only year. So I'll select it and update the settings. When I refresh the page, on the story you can see the date format is changed. Let's now change the order of the story. So under timeline settings, go to story order and select ascending. Once we'll update it and view the page, now you can see the changes are done. Now let's create a custom order based story. So first of all, give it a title. Under the story type, let's select custom order based. Give it a custom label. Let's select step 1. You can type anything here and let's select the order as 1. Under the media type, let's select an image and set the featured image from here. Once you are done, click on publish. So by this way, create more stories. So you can see here I have created 6 stories. So now go to pages, click on add a new page, give it a title, and now click on the block, choose story timeline shortcode, and under the timeline settings, timeline based on, select custom order. So now when you publish it, you can view the page from here. So you can see there is no year or date. I have created a custom order based story. Now let's change the layout. Let's select horizontal and update it. Refresh the page and you can see custom order based story. So by this way, you can create your own custom order based story using this Pro plugin. Now let's go to the timeline settings and watch the settings more carefully. Under the general settings, you can show or hide the timeline title. You can change the title from default to anything. And here you can choose to show the scrolling navigation and also select the position of the scrolling navigation. Under the style settings, you can make the different styles, like you can change the background color, the circle color, the line color of your story timeline. Under the typography settings, you can change the font style. In the story setting, you can choose to show or hide the year label, and you can also change the date formats from here. If you want to add the custom style, you can go to the extra settings and you can add your own custom style here. So these are some advanced settings of this plugin. Let's now see what is a shortcode generator and how to use a shortcode generator to create beautiful timelines on our WordPress website. So let's go to pages, click on add a new page, give it a title and click on this block, search for cool timeline and choose cool timeline shortcode generator. Now click on add timeline shortcode. Here if you want to choose a story timeline, you can choose it, or you can select post timeline. How post timeline looks like. You can change here the layout. Let's select horizontal. You can also select how many slides to show. Let's select 3. And there are some other settings also. Click on insert shortcode and publish it. Click on view the page. And now you can see beautiful timeline plays on your WordPress website by using the shortcode generator. Let's now generate another shortcode. Click on this block and search for cool timeline. And for this time, let's select story timeline. Timeline based on, let's select custom order. If you want to choose a particular category, you can choose it here. Choose the layout. Let's select horizontal. Now click on insert shortcode. Click on publish and view the page. As you can see, a shortcode generator is being placed which has all the custom order based story timelines. These were some of the pro features of this plugin. Thanks for watching the video.